Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to clone app very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Play Store. So when you will open the Play Store, here write parallel space. So when you will write here parallel space, here you can see this app. So just install this application. So you can see I already installed this application, so that's why I will click on open options. So after opening, so here wait some second. So you can see here I cloned some app. So if you want to clone the another app, so just click on add app. So after this select the app. So after selecting the app, here you can see add to parallel space. So guys, you can see this app is cloned. So guys, in this way you can clone app in parallel space very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.